Here I have TECNO Pop 7, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all I need to do is to just press combination power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, and we got it. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the folder screenshots, and here they are. From here you can share, edit, delete your screenshots or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.